Good morning and Jai to all. Once again we are back with our subject grammar. I hope that you all are fit and fine and you are ready for our topic. Now chapter number 14 that we have been learning from so many days, even in online session and in our offline videos. Last time we have seen and we have learned about the simple past tense. The simple past tense. Now I taught you, we have learned that what is simple past? What does it describe? Just like its heading, past, simple past. It describes an action or an activity which has been completed in the past. In the past, it has been completed. So to indicate those activities, we use the simple past tense. Again, I am telling you, the simple past tense describes an action which has been completed in the past. The days which have gone, right? So to indicate those actions, if we want to use the sentences for such actions, we use the simple past tense. And we have learned about the formation. Just like its heading, very simple. Simple past tense, the formation is very simple. First of all, as I told you, that is subject, then verb, but which form? Past form. Past form, and then object. Right, this is the formation. How is it? Is only three things we need. Where you have to be very careful. Here, you have to use the past form of the verb. Simple. For example, I want to use the past form of go. The past form of go is went. I went. Object. Now here you can use any words to complete the sentence, right? Appropriate words. I went to school yesterday, right? I went to school yesterday. Subject, went is a verb, past form of go, and to school, that is our object, right? She finished her homework last night, right? She finished her homework last night. She, subject, finished, that is verb, past form of finish, alright? We have added ed, and her homework last night is our object. Okay, so these are the example sentences of the simple past tense, right? Now I want to convert them in the question, interrogative. How to convert the affirmative sentence into interrogative, means simple sentence into question. Very easy. Only one word that you have to remember. In past tense, there is only one word to convert into question. What is that? Remember this. Did. It is did. Alright? did that you have kept in the beginning, finish. Only verb form that you have to change from past to present. Let's take the second. She finished her homework last night. Let's keep did. She. Now as she here as is started. Why? Because it is the beginning of the sentence, but it is placed here at the second position. So as in this form. Did she? Now finished. Past form. Convert into present form. That means ed will be removed. Did she finish her homework last night? Question. Right? Very simple to convert the simple sentence into interrogative, means into question. Just keep did in the beginning. Only one thing, convert past form of the verb into present form. That's it. The whole sentence as it is after did. Right? You can observe. The whole sentence I have kept the same except this verb. Only I have kept the present form. That's it. She finished. Did she finish her homework last night? Finish. Okay. So I hope that you have understood, right? This one. Now the question is, if there are WH questions like what, why, when, where, then what we have to do? How can we frame such questions, in simple past tense? Very easy. It has also the easiest trick, right? What is that? Let's see. Alright students, now as we have discussed, then how to convert WH question, how to frame WH question in the simple past tense. As I told you, it is very easy. What is the word to frame the sentence in simple past? That is did. Did will be everywhere, right? In the simple past tense, especially in question and in negative sentence. That we will see further, right? Afterwards we will see. But now here we can see two sentences. I went to the market. WH question is where. Means you have to tell the place. So where? To the market, right? So market is the answer. So while converting into question, you don't have right to answer. While converting to question, I will not write the market because market is the place, right? Is the answer. Second, he bought some fruits from the market. What? Right? What? Some fruits. Some fruits. So in question, I will not mention these two words, right? Because they are answers. Okay? So how can we do that? Let's see. When it was a simple sentence, we were keeping and we keep did in the beginning. The same thing happened, that whichever WH questions have been given, you have to keep them in the beginning, right? Where? Without thinking anything, write down in the beginning. Where? So then you were telling that did will be everywhere. Where is did? Absolutely. In simple sentence, we were keeping in the beginning. Now here we will keep after WH question, means after WH word, question word. Okay? Where? Immediately write down did. Where did? Then you have to start writing from here. Make sure that you don't have to write the answer. That is the place, that is the the proper place where you have to be very careful. Okay, you don't have to mention the answer, otherwise it is wrong. Okay, where is place? Which place? To the market. So to the market we will not write. Where did I? Now as I told you in question, main form of the verb will be there. Okay, do not use the past form. Main form is present form. What is the present form of when? Go, right? Where did I go? Alright? Where did I go? Finish. Alright? He bought some fruits from the market. What? Now here some fruits is the answer. So we will not write. So which one is that? What? So without thinking right now, what did? Okay, right? You have to write what did, what, then where did, when did, what did. Now you have to start writing from here. What comes first? He, but H will be small. What did he? Present form of what? Buy. What did he buy? Now as I told you, this will not be there, right? Some fruits will not be there. So what is there? From the market. What did he buy from the market? Question mark. Alright? What did he buy from the market? Alright? Did you get it? How to make question by using WH words. Where, what, whom, when. Okay? Except who. WHO. When you find who, there will be no did. This is exceptional. Okay? This is exceptional. When we are using who, we will not use did after that. We will write the same sentence. Okay? How to do that? While writing the exercise, we will come to know. So I hope this is the basic thing that you must understand. Then we can create any question, right? So now let's begin our exercise. Okay students, now it's time to start a new exercise. Since I told you that whenever you get your question, whether in exam or in homework, read the instructions twice. Now as you can see on the board, there are simple sentences, you know, affirmative simple sentences. I watched TV last night. They are all in simple past tense. By looking at the verb, you understand that this is the simple past tense, right? The bus stopped at the bus station. He met his friend last month. She read. Now do not make mistake by reading this read, because there is no s. If it is present tense, there will be s, because this is third person singular. So she read an interesting book yesterday. Now move to our instruction. Write questions to which these sentences may be the answer. These sentences have the answers, and we have to frame a question from this sentence. How? Use the question words given in the bracket. By using the question words when, where, whom, what, we have to use these question words to frame the sentence, to frame the question. Okay? Here you have to understand, you have to be careful that you don't have to write the answer, you have to find the answer. According to this question word, which is the answer in the sentence, that you have to take out. That you don't have to write in question. Okay? That's the thing. Rest of the sentence as it is, you have to just copy. Let's see. I watched TV last night. When is they are asking for timing. So actually last night is the answer. So we have to convert question. So we will not write last night in the question, right? So this will be cancelled. Now as I told you, write down the question word in the beginning, then did. Immediately did. Right? If there are WH question. When did. Alright? As I told you. Then you have to start from here. Start copying. Right? When did I, past becomes present. Right? Because did is already given. So the verb which is in the past tense will be in present tense. When did I watch TV? Question mark. Last night we will not write because it is the answer, right? According to the question word. When means timing. Last night. So if we will write last night, then it will be answer. So as per the instruction, it is wrong. Alright? So last night we will not write and we will frame the question with when in this way. When did I watch TV? Alright? The bus stop at the bus station. Where? Where means place. Where? At the bus station. So at the bus station is our answer. So we are not going to write in question. Alright? So we will not write this one in our question. So up to here we have to write. So what is the word where? So first we will write where. Immediately did. Where did the bus stop? Alright, now P capital, relatively small. Where did the bus stop? Past tense becomes present tense. Stops becomes stop. Right? Question mark. Where did the bus stop? Simple. Answer is here at the bus station, but we are not going to write as per the instruction. Right? Let's see the third one. He met his friend last month. Whom? The person. He, but whom he met. Right? So his friend. So his friend actually gave an answer. So we will not write in our question. Okay? Rest of the words we will write. So whom did he met? Met becomes meet. Whom did he meet last month? Question mark. Alright? Whom did he meet last month? She read an interesting book yesterday. What? She read, but what? An interesting book. So an interesting book is our answer. So we will not write. Alright? What remains? Then we will mention in our question. Simple. What did, as small, what did she read yesterday? Question. What did she read yesterday? Right? So this is the way that can take the question if the question words have been given. Now 4 questions that we have made, let's make another 4. Alright students, now let's see number 5. Naman went to school by bus. How? Naman went to school, but how? The question, how? By bus. So by bus is our answer. So we are not going to mention in our question, right? So this will be cancelled in the question. So how? Write down how immediately in the beginning. How did? Okay, D is available. Okay, so D. How did Naman? When becomes go, because we have to use present form in the question. How did Naman go to school? How did Naman go to school? Okay? They performed so well in the school. Who? They want to know who performed so well. Right? So they. So they is the answer. So we will not write they. So first write down who. But as I told you that except who, did will be there after WH words. Okay? After who there will be no did. Remember, after who there will be no did in past tense. Okay? If it is a simple sentence and if you want to convert it to question, who, then based on the sentence you have to write as it is. Who performed so well in the school? Okay, question mark. See, nothing I have changed except they. They is the answer, so I did not write. Instead of that, I have written who, and the rest of the sentence I have just copied. At the end, I have kept the question mark. Right? Where is it? Meena went to her office on Sunday because she had been called to come. Right? She had been called to come. Now, as you can see here, because. After because, the reason is given. Why she went to her office? Because she had been called to come. So the question is about why. When you ask the question why, you will get the reason. So this is the reason means it is an answer. So we will not write the whole sentence, right? So this one will be cancelled, right? So why did, then just copy. Meena when becomes go. When did Meena go to her office on Sunday? Question mark, right? Why did Meena go to her office on Sunday? 5 students did not attend the class. How many? So write down first of all how many. Now see, as it is negative, right? So we are not going to write it over here. How many students? No. How many is asking for number? So 5 students. How many students? 5. So 5 will not be there in the question. So how many students? The rest of the sentence as it is. How many students did not attend the class? Okay, question. Right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So the students, what we have learned today? Simple past tense, the formation subject plus past form of the verb, the subject. Simple formation. Right? I went to school yesterday. Convert into negative. In question. One word that we have to remember, that is did. Keep did in the beginning if it is a simple sentence. I went to school yesterday. Did I go to school yesterday? Instead of went, we will write go. Simple. If there is WH question, alright? No need to do anything. Write down WH word in the beginning. What, why, where, when, whom, and then write down did. When did, where did, why did, what did. Then rest of the sentence you have to just copy. Only one thing that you have to remember, you don't have to write the past form of the verb as it is. You have to convert into present form. When becomes go, finished becomes finished, stopped becomes stopped. Right? So those are the areas where you have to be a little bit careful, right? Otherwise question. And do not forget to keep question mark at the end of the question. Alright? So until we meet next time.